Down the wicket, in the air. It's a free hit now, run out. I think that is a run out. Dipti Sharma, if I'm not wrong, was the fielder there. Good presence of mind.
Her knock has had everything. What a superb take was that from the bowler. A one-handed return catch from media pacer Ritu Moni. It's time for the third T20I here at the Sylhet International Cricket Stadium. And India would be looking to take an unassailable 3-0 lead, while Bangladesh will be trying their best to ensure they get their first win on the board.
Jyoti flipping the coin. Harmanpreet Kaur called heads. And it is the heads. What are you going to do?
We're going to ball first.
All right, so the news from the middle is that India have won the toss and decided to have a bowl first.
And both the batters and bowlers will have to contend with the overcast conditions. Quite the watertight unit so far in the two T20Is. Ali Arman and Sajidul Islam are the two on-field umpires today. Murshida Khatun, on her part, will be hoping to continuing with a good form that she showcased in that second T20I. Puts up a good performance today after she did hit a couple of fours up top. Renuka Singh Thakur will start from the grandstand end. Pitch is on a good length, driven towards the fielder at point, and Radha Yadav, as usual, is effective at that position.
Experienced Campinan flicks us off the pads for 4, backward of square by Dilara Akhtar. Cuts beautifully all along the ground, 4 runs through sweeps well, and that's going to be 4 runs backward of square. That's a magnificent shot by Dilara Akhtar.
The grandstand end.
Shot and hooked backward of square for 4. That's a magnificent shot from a very confident.
Down the wicket, in the air. It's a free hit now, run out. I think that is a run out. Dipti Sharma, if I'm not wrong, was the fielder there.
When she was early in her teens, and it started her cricketing journey. And
Murshida goes for 9, which is 46 runs. Inside edge, gone through the legs of Richa Ghosh, the wicketkeeper. Should be a boundary, it is. Change of pace, loud appeal from Richa Ghosh, and
Look at the replay again. Yeah, she tried to whack it, sweep it at it, and it's in the gloves. Yeah.
by Richa Ghosh behind the stumps. Dilara Akhtar.
Partnership this time.
Ambles in bowls, comes down the wicket and plays it through extra cover, takes the aerial route. That's what the captain expects from the bowler. And the young Shriyanka Patil is obliging because she is bowling right to the.
That's
a run out which has been requested by the. I think that could be the end of the batter there, with plenty of overs. That was a pull, attempted, given out.
Looks very close.
Straight to the wicket.
Comes down the wicket, goes straight, mid-off inside the circle, clears the fielder, her counterpart. And Dipti Sharma, as the ball wins the race.
Got past the 3-digit score. An LBW appeal from Radha Yadav, and it's given. NBW when the ball clearly pitched outside off against Radha Yadav, scoring that 28 for 36.
Oh, came down the wicket. And Radha Yadav.
And Sharifa Khatun has to depart for a duck. Top off and middle has a double wicket over to her name.
Has bowled well, bowled smartly. Takes a step forward. Oh, gone through the hands. Short, in the air, top edge, Richa Ghosh does the rest.
The call was loud and clear and early. She alerted the fielders on the offside in the infield that the catch was hers. And here, they run the risk of...
Bangladesh were 85 for 2 in the 14th over. Yorker, outside edge. Deep third is in position. Looking to come back for the second is Nahida and will give away her wicket in the process. Had to go for that.
That closes out the innings for the hosts. After they lost the toss and Harmanpreet Kaur shot, have Bangladesh 2 runs fewer than their eventual tally in the second T20I. The theme of their batting performance so far in these 3 games of the 5 T20I series.
In single figures.
Time to head.
Yeah, this is what it looks like, being invited to bat first. Dilara 39 of 27. Key to that innings was she only gave away 5 dot balls. Nigar Sultana Jyoti again returning to consistency. 28 of 36. Shubhana 15 of 20. I think she scored 15. She faced 15 deliveries in the previous match, scored 19. But Radha, 2 wickets, Shriyanka and Renuka, wickets apiece. Bangladesh 117 for 8. India women need 118 runs to win this match and win the series also. 3 and batted well. Make the series their own. Of experience along with Shefali Verma.
Mandana and Verma are just 16 runs short of 2,000 runs as an opening pair, averaging 31.49.
Marufa beginning the proceedings from the grandstand end and starts off with a peach of a delivery each and every time. 2 slips in positions, but wayward bowling onto the pads of the foot, of the leg, will go for 4. First boundary in this India innings. Oh, what a stroke. Again, not hesitant to come forward. Oh, crisp timing. Oh, what a good looking cover drive. Was aerial, but doesn't matter because it was away from that fielder. Flighted delivery, taken full advantage of. Nicely pierced the gap between those 5 fielders on the offside. Something and out of it. Goes aerial. That's hit hard again. 1 bounce for 4. Second boundary of the over. Took pace off. Sweep deployed. Away from that fielder from deep mid wicket. Ball defeats Rabia. She does. On cue. 1 bounce.
Box end. Flighted outside off stump and will get an edge. It races away to the boundary, does it? Yes, it does. Another boundary added to the name of Shefali Verma, who motors on and reaches 34 of this.
Nahida Akhtar, beautifully played. Just look at the manner in which she has played it away with the game. Once again, Shefali Verma hits it over the...
Down the leg side, and Mandana will get enough bat with that sweep of hers to collect another boundary. A superb shot there by the left-hander Mandana. Hit it. Her knock has had everything. What a superb take was that from the bowler. A one-handed return catch from media pacer Ritumoni.
Absolutely. Bowled straight, hit straight, but she's taken a blinder of the right hand, single-handed catch knocked by Shefali Verma. 51 of 38, striking at 134.
Ritumoni isn't as tall as Asot.
Just helped it on its way. Goes all the way in the air. There is a fielder. 2 minds. Second time takes the catch.
Just she need to play this shot in this occasion.
But a very good innings by Smriti Mandana, 47 of 42.
That creates some pressure. That makes Smriti Mandana to play.
Oh, that could be a good shot. Given.
Or any player in the world, as our statistician reminds us.
Hemlata goes for 9.
Singh will be left to...
Dotted outside off, will bisect the fielders and it will run away for a 4. And it is the young Richa Ghosh who hits the winning runs and takes in their home as the visitors seal the series and take an unassailable 3-0 lead in this 5 T20I assignment.
Very dominant Indian side, Shefali Verma and Smriti Mandhana. Even if Bangladesh had the 20 runs, as you mentioned a while back, Bangladesh 117 for 8.
Out on the winning side. They are the winners of this 5 T20I series.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.